Dia de la Raza celebrates the many cultures that make up today's Mexico. In Mexico City, dancers in traditional costumes parade down Paseo de la Reforma. In the Plaza of the Constitution, this spectacle includes an indigenous Mexican playing a seashell. People gather at La Castellana Avenue in Madrid to watch the military parade, which commemorates Columbus's arrival in the Americas in 1492. Members of the Spanish armed forces raised the Spanish flag at the start of the military parade. King Juan Carlos I, Queen Sofia, Crown Prince Felipe, and Princess Letizia watched the parade. Spanish Navy sailors are among the 4,000 military personnel that take part in the National Day Parade. Chileans dressed in indigenous clothing dance in the streets of Santiago. The largest indigenous group is the Mapuches, the original inhabitants of Chile. On October 12th, Mapuches rally together to give voice to their cultural heritage. During the rally, a Mapuche boy blows a trutruca, a musical instrument made from a bull's horn. A little girl wearing a typical costume from Bolivia parades up Fifth Avenue during the Hispanic Day Parade. Many folkloric groups participate in the parade, a festive event that celebrates the brotherhood among all Latin Americans. People cheer as they see the colorful costumes of these Dominican dancers. Each year, a famous Hispanic person, such as designer Oscar de la Renta, is Grand Marshal of the parade.